Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making this beautiful dress at the picture. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now we'll use this African fabric for this tutorial. Now we'll combine it with a black dove face as well. Now I'll fold my fabric into two. So I'll be cutting the sleeve together with the dress. Now the length of the dress is 40 inches. I will go ahead and add 2 inches, making it 42 inches. I'll go ahead and join the lines together. Now the shoulder is 16 inches plus half inch, that is 8.5 inches. Then for the sleeve, I'll go ahead and add 9 inches to it. Then from this point, I will measure 10 inches. Because of the shoulder slant, I will make it 11 inches because I want it to be a bit open here. Okay. Now from here, the armhole I'm working with is 10 inches as well. The half length 17 inches, and for the hips 26 inches. I'll make it 25 inches. This is my armhole here. In case I'm just showing it for you to see it, but we'll be cutting it all together with this sleeve. Then under here will be the bust measurement. The bust measurement is 41 inches. Divided into 4 will give me 10.2 inches here. And I'll go ahead and add 3 inches allowance. It's a free dress. Then from here I will cover it like so. You can see. Then at this point I'll remove the shoulder slant, 1 inch shoulder slant here. I'll measure 3.5 the neckline here. Then from here I will take it down to the shoulder slope with my straight ruler. Then the waist measurement is 38 inches. So we'll divide with the tape. 38 divided into 4 will give me 9.5 inches, and I'll add extra 3 inches allowance as well. Then the hip measurement is 43 divided into 4 will give me 10.6 inches here, and I'll go ahead and add 3 inches allowance. Then whatever measurement I have here, I will take it down to the hemline. So I'll go ahead and put my shoulder slope. So from this point, I'm attaching pocket to it direct. From this measurement, I'll just take 7 inches here. Then from 7 inches, I will mark 6 inches. From here to here is 6 inches. Then here I'll carve out the pocket depending on how deep you want it. You can go ahead and make it to be more deep. So I'm cutting out both the sleeve and the pocket cut together. Then I'll go ahead and put my shoulder slope. At this point I will make it 1.5 because I want it to have a good slant. So I'll take it down to this 3.5 here. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll place it on my fabric to cut out the second side, that is the back. It's having a zipper. I have 1.5 inches allowance for the zipper. So I'll go ahead and cut out the back. The next thing now will be the neckline. For the front neckline, I will mark 7 inches, while for the back neckline, I will mark 5 inches. It's a circle neckline. This for the back neckline, while this is for the front neckline. I'll go ahead to open it up. Now I'll remove the back. Now for this design, I have to place my black design under. I'm cutting only for the front, so I'll place it right. I folded it into two and place my front piece on it. So I'm going to trace the neckline, then I'll go ahead and shape out the side. Now I'll go ahead and cut out the neckline. This is not actually a facing, it will be having lining, so I'm just putting a design at the front. So by the time I've cut it out, after cutting it out, this is 7 inches neck depth. I'm cutting from the wrong side. From this underbust, which is 11.5 here, from this point, I'll then reduce it to 4.5 so that I'll use half an inch and sew. I'm just taking it like so. I'll sew through half an inch. So I'm making it 4.5 to the length of the dress, which is 42 inches. That is at this point. I'll go ahead and connect the line. I'll place it at the front to confirm the length before I go ahead and cut it out. Okay, that's the length, and this 4.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut out the black side. I'm not cutting the fabric. Go ahead and cut. So I'll go ahead and place it like so on the fabric. So the next thing to do is to fold it in and top stitch on the two sides. I'll just fold it in and top stitch all through. The same thing to the other side as well, top stitch on the neckline. because it's having a lining. I don't need to turn it over, so I have to sew through it so that I will turn it then with lining. So after which I will cut out the lining for both the front and the back pieces. Now I've joined the center. You can see the plain fabric at the center. Then I went ahead to turn it with my lining, leaving the pocket side open and the sleeve side as well open. The next thing to do is to join the two back pieces together with my zipper. I'll fix my zipper and join it together. These are the two back pieces. I'll place it together. From the downside, I will measure 7 inches for the slits. This is the slit length. Then from this upper side, I'll go ahead and measure 22 inches. Then I'll close up this small space here. This is just 7 inches. So I'll close up this 7 inches, fix my zipper, fold in my slits. After which I will join both the front and back pieces together from the shoulder. I will join it together before I close up the sleeve side because it's cut together. I intentionally left it open. So after sewing, I will join the front and back pieces together. Then I'll show you the next thing to do. I've joined the two shoulder lines together. This is the front side and this is the back. So I left some inches because I want to fold it in. So I'll go ahead and fold in the sleeve side like so and top stitch. This is optional. You can fold it, you can just turn it the way you turn other side, but I choose to leave it like this. So I'll go ahead and fold in the two sides, after which I will close the side. I'll close it using 1 inch allowance, 1 inch seam allowance. That's what I'll use and close it. Remember, this is our pocket, inner pocket. You must make sure everything is aligned before you close all the edges. You sew through and sew at the pocket as well, then close up the remaining side. So after which I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So after sewing, you can see how it looks. Beautiful boo-boo dress, you can see. You can see the back with the slit. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.